Hello everyone. I'm going to show you an incredible trick, transforming your seemingly dead TV remote control into a perfectly functioning one, even if the batteries are completely drained. I've tried pressing all the buttons, but there's no response from the TV. It's quite frustrating when you just want to relax and watch something, right? So, I'll open up the battery compartment to see what's going on inside. As you can see, the batteries are in there, but my remote is completely unresponsive. To confirm my suspicion that the batteries are dead, I'm going to use a multimeter. This handy tool allows me to check the voltage of the batteries. I'll set it to measure DC voltage. When I touch the probes to the battery terminals, you can see the reading is extremely low, barely registering any voltage. This confirms that these batteries are indeed completely drained and can no longer power the remote. Now that I know the battery's dead, I have some other batteries here. I tried putting these batteries into the remote control, but they didn't fit. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. I'll then grab a fresh pack of small button cell batteries. These little guys might seem too small for a remote designed for AA batteries, but that's where the magic of this hack comes in. To make them work in a larger compartment, I'll place them strategically. I placed it in place of the spring in each battery compartment. It's all about making sure the circuit is complete. Next, I'll take a small compressed glue stick. I'll measure it against the battery compartment and mark the length. Then, using a utility knife, I'll carefully cut the compressed glue stick into smaller pieces. The purpose of these pieces is to create a snug fit for our smaller button cell batteries and to ensure they don't move around once they're inside. Now, for the conductive part, I'll take a piece of aluminum foil. I'll cut it into strips and roll it tightly to create a compact, conductive cylinder. This foil will act as an electrical bridge, connecting the button cell batteries to the remote's contacts. This is a common and effective DIY trick for when you need a quick electrical connection. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. With glue sticks wrapped in aluminum foil in hand, I'll carefully insert the button cell batteries, ensuring they're snugly positioned. It's a bit of a puzzle, but it's quite satisfying when it all fits together. The foil pieces are then placed to make sure that the current flows correctly from the batteries to the remote's internal components. This whole setup creates a makeshift battery pack for our remote. Now for the moment of truth. I'll try the remote on the TV. And just like that, the TV turns on. This simple hack proves that even with tiny batteries and a few household items, you can fix a seemingly broken remote. Let's try another method with the same remote to demonstrate how versatile these solutions can be. When I opened the battery compartment, there was only one battery inside, so the remote control couldn't work. Now, I'll take a simple pencil and cut it to fit snugly over the battery slot, bridging the connection between the remote's terminals and allowing any residual charge from the old batteries to be used, or simply completing the circuit if one of the contacts was faulty. Then I carefully chip away the wood at both ends to expose the graphite core. Graphite is a great conductor of electricity, making it perfect for this little trick. I'll make sure to get a good amount of lead exposed for optimal contact. I'll then insert the pencil into the remote's battery compartment alongside the old, still dead batteries. The pencil acts as a conductor. Look, the remote works again. It's amazing what a little ingenuity and a pencil can do, right? Now, let's try a different type of remote control, an air conditioner remote. This one is also unresponsive. I opened the battery compartment and tried inserting the batteries, but the AA batteries were too big and wouldn't fit in the AAA battery slot. I inserted a small button battery into the small spring at the positive terminal to ensure a tight connection and good conductivity. This time, I'll show you how to use a small screw to ensure good contact with the new battery. This method often fixes problems when the battery seems to be working but isn't making proper contact. And there you have it. The remote is working perfectly now, adjusting the temperature without any issues. With these simple tricks, you can revive almost any remote control. If you found these hacks helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me which hack you're most excited to try. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.